Hi everyone, my name is Mir Khan and this is my reflective speech. So before taking this class, I was very shy. Whenever I would give presentations, I would always nervously move. And I wouldn't really know what I would say next, even though I was prepared. I would forget. And I would also rush in some parts of the presentation and take my time in others, which was kind of weird. Just wanted to get it done, I guess. So what growth did I experience as a speaker in this class? From this class, I learned to be more confident when I speak, so the listener can believe me and grasp my information. And I learned the right amount of movement, not to be swaying, and so the listener can focus on me and not my movements. Also, which proper volume and pace to better have sound more reliable, and so the listener can actually comprehend what I'm saying. So how will this help me in my academic career? Being more confident will make me look better and sound more professional. Not swaying and moving so much will help the listener engage in my words and me instead of on my movements, like I said earlier. The better volume and pace will help my listeners follow along with me. If you talk so mutter so you can't hear, then it makes your listener be like, what is he saying? Why would am I going to listen for the rest of the presentation if I can't hear him and I miss this part? So maintaining that same volume and pace throughout the whole presentation is key so that your listener stays engaged. So how will it help me in my professional career? My professional career is, I really want to be a vet. I've always loved animals my whole entire life. I have so many pets. I don't know if you can hear that talking in the background. That's not a person. That's actually my African gray parrot that we have. I've had him for 15 years now. Yeah, he's old and annoying. But being more confident will help me ease my patients' worries when they come in because they know their pets will be in good hands and they know that I'm a good doctor. So why wouldn't you want to send your pet to someone who's very confident and knows what they're talking about? Yeah, please again, excuse the noisy bird. And not moving so much will help me get steadier hands so I can get surgeries done and not mess up, as well as, again, moving like that will make my patients' parents worried and stressed out and be like, yo, what the heck is this wrong with this doctor? The volume will also be able so the patient's parents can hear me and understand the information. If I'm telling them to give them medicine, if I mumble, then they won't be able to hear how much. Say if I say give 500 pills, not 500, but 5 pills of 500 milligrams, and if I mumble that, they'd be like, what are you saying, what? But they would actually understand and know not to kill their pets and know which amount of medicine to give them. So that's a bad example, but it all plays into that sort of way. So my last remarks. I learned a lot from this class. Thank you. It was such a good semester. I've learned so much. You're a great professor, and I hope looking forward to seeing everyone in the fall. Have a great summer.